Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Owayedlalela iMamelodi Sundowns uSiyanda Zwane uthi umkhulisi if angadlala ku-Orlando Pirates or ku-Kaizer Chiefs uzongena straight to i-starting lineup mebheka nje squad salama-team wo-2 kusho ukuthi umkhulise uzokwazi ukudlala ku-Pirates naku-Chiefs. Kusho ukuthi umkhulisi ubhethela nama-player waku-Chiefs, ubhethela nama-player waku-Orlando Pirates angadlala. Asingene ku-statement sakhe sonke before sisichaza simphikise la simphikisa khona sivume la kumele sivume khona. Uthi ujabule kakhulu ukuthi i-Sundowns extendile i-contract kaMkhulisi imnike i-contract entsha siyibonile bafethu ka-2 years. Uthi ama-fans we-Sundowns ayamthanda. Uthi usho ukuthi i-Sundowns i-realize-ile ukuthi umkhulise uyi-player eli-important laphana ku-Sundowns. Noma engadlali ama-game amaningi noma regularly but uyi-player eli-important asibambe lapho-ke. Mkhulisi is not an important player e-Sundowns, asilikhulumeni iqiniso bafethu. Nami ngiyamfavor umfana, ngicabanga ukuthi super talented but is not an important player ku-Sundowns. You look at for the past 5 years or ama-season nje, couple of seasons, not even one memorable moment mina engiyikhumbulayo kaMkhulisi. Mase umuntu mengabuzwa ngomkhulisi ukuthi why do you like him? What has he done for the team? What do you remember about him? If angahamba manje abantu abaningi bayomkhumbula na. Ngaphandle kwalabantu laba baya e-stadium every time. Mina, I remember moment yakhe yaseMakhulung Stadium against i-Highlands Park, how well he played when he was introduced. I remember that thing. But umuntu ongalibukeli ibhola that much, ongalilandeli njengami or njengathi thina abantu esisebenza ebholeni izinto ezinjalo. Well, not la kuNkuli Soccer by the way. Khona ezinye indawo engeke ngizisho ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi abantu ngelinye ilanga bazo. Let me not even go deep into this thing. But ngiyazi ukuthi abantu banjani. If they see you associated with something, they try to attack that thing. That is why isikhathi esiningi singa-reveal la kuNkuliso ukuthi what's happening. Yeah, umkhulisi is not an important player ya ku-Sundowns, asibeni fair bafowethu. The only reason i-Sundowns imnika i-contract entsha ukuthi ama-big teams, more especially i-Kaizer Chiefs beyimbhekile ukuthi mayiphela i-contract bazokwazi ukumsayina ku-Kaizer Chiefs mahhala. So ba-make sure ukuthi bamsayinise i-contract. Into angazi ukuthi sengimenshine kangaka uTerence Mashego ukuthi same thing naye i-Kaizer Chiefs beyimfuna, i-Sundowns yamnika i-contract. Yazi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi ayimdlalisi, ngeke imdlalisi. Is not even part of i-club. So uSiyanda methi yena i-Sundowns imnika i-contract entsha because of uyi-player important laphana e-teamini. No ways, akekho important. Ama-player compete now. What is Mkhulisi's best position? Because mina ngimazi attacking and then he became more centrally, kusho ukuthi nje u-versatile laphana esiswini, right? But yiphi i-position? Akekho umuntu ongathi i-position kaMkhulisi i-attacking because of asimboni kakhulu. Akekho ongathi i-best position yakhe ngi-central because of ku-central simbona mengena lapha azohold igame adlale le shushine and piano kuphela. That's it. Nothing constructive enika i-team something. Udlala nje ukuthi hayi sekayangena nje ukuthi bamnike lo game time leyo. He was wanted by Kaizer Chiefs bamnika i-contract entsha. Not lento le show uzwane but-ke it is what it is bafowethu. This season udlala ama-game awu-6 nje kuphela kuwo wonke ama-competition. Cabanga uqale kawu-2 nje kuphela. Lento yasibonisa ngempela ukuthi i-game time akayitholi. And uqale previous game le against i-Orbit. I mean, look at i-Orbit College bafowethu. Ama-game a-important. uMiguel Cardoso coach i-Sundowns uze washo naye ukuthi ama-senior players wabo bawaqalisanga kula game leya. Baqale ngama-players lawa angadlali. So Mkhulisi is not important for i-Sundowns. Siyamthanda ukumthanda umfana because of ngiyazi ukuthi uyalazi ibhola but in terms of importance aqhubekeni noSiyanda. Zithi uSiyanda ngingalisho igama lakhe wrong bafowethu. Yeah, think ulo uSiyanda Zwane ukuthi utheni ku-part 2 of i-statement sakhe. Uthi ulo Mkhulisi i-competition for yena laphana ukhompyutha nama-player ku-Sundowns adlala njalo futhi a-consistent kusho ukuthi ayakwazi ukudeliver for i-team. Uthi udlala ku-same position no-Alende. Kusho ukuthi methi udlala same position u-Alende phela i-more of i-number akusa-understandeki kanti uMiguel Cardoso. U-Alende bengimazi mina as i-number 10 because akekho good in terms of ukumaka but i-player nje olinika i-free role lizelele phambili, i-contribute amagoli, lwashaya futhi amagoli a-few. But kwamanye ama-game sesimbona le assist i-defense ukuthi a-defend and is not good ku-defense. So umkhulisa mina to be direct angazi ukuthi ukhompyutha nobani. Khompyutha nabantu abadlala i-central abo-Risinho noma ukhompyutha nama-attacking. I'm not sure anymore. Uyaqhubeka-ke laphana uZwane bafethu uSiyanda Zwane uthi uya-understanda or uthi umkhulisi uthanda umkhulisi ngoba umkhulisi unethalente kakhulu futhi uya-understanda ama-spaces nama-pockets. Uyazi ukuthi how to play between the lines. He knows how to get ama-opponents or kuma-defenders out of i-defensive positions. Uthi umkhulisi hardly lose the ball. The ball position, which is good technically, and unayo football IQ. Uthi player leli ongeke ufune ukuluza even noma engadlali njalo kodwa awufuni ukumluza. Uthi losing a player of that caliber would be like shooting yourself in the foot. Uthi just hope ukuthi umkhulisi uzothola umuntu laphana ongambeka kuposition la azi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi uyabhiliva uma okay athole kusho ukuthi u-coach. I think la obvious akayibeki direct, athole umuntu noma i-management noma i-technical team ezobhiliva kuye, yazi ukuthi futhi udlala kumaphi ama-position. But uthi usho ukuthi u-coach ube nesay ukuthi umkhulisi ahlale laphana ku-Sundowns. Hhayi, okay. Football IQ nayo mkhulisi, but I don't know, i-football IQ but-ke is more of creative spark kamkhulisi asisayiboni, asibeni fair bafowethu. Sesibona lama one touch wakhe labo ukuhlanganisa i-Sundowns kuphela ukuthi azojabulisa ama-fans mengena kuphela, but in terms of like ukuthi uzom-expect ukuthi uzoshintsha igame, simbonile even negame the Orbit College. That game was not super exciting, but udlala ama-game, I'm talking about the game yonke, it was not exciting because of i-Orbit College create ama-opportunities. And through i-midfielder ye-Sundowns le yabo mkhulisi, Orbit College were able to reach i-box le-Sundowns multiple occasions. So ayikho strong midfielder if khona umkhulisi. Ayikho strong not because of umkhulisi bad player, because of umkhulisi akanayo i-confidence that much because of akadlali ama-game amaningi. You can't expect ukuthi umdlali afike adlale adeliver for i-team. Asivale i-statement kaZwane bafowethu ukuthi uthini. Uthe yena angathanda ukumbona umkhulisi obvious adlala njalo ngoba uyiplayer eli-good kakhulu. Uthi ucabanga ukuthi if angajoyina i-team efana ne-Pirates, lento engiqale ngayo ne-Pirates, uzoqala ama-game ku-Pirates. Uthi hhayi ukuthi uyayidelela i-Orlando Pirates, but uthi uyabhiliva nje ukuthi umkhulisi angadlala, and uthi uyabhiliva futhi ukuthi umkhulisi angadlala nalaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi uma ubheka isquad sabo laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs or noma isquad sa-both teams ese-Chiefs ne-Pirates, umkhulisi angadlala laphana ku-midfield. Hayi ku-Pirates mina ngiyayiphika bafowethu ukuthi angadlala. Pirates bane-squad super powerful. Let's check between the two. Bheka ama-midfielder we-Orlando Pirates ukuthi angakanani, uzodlala kuyiphi position, uzo-contribute kangakanani, because of ku-Pirates uma udlala khona kumele ube u-contribute almost every game. Ulodi aboSiphombula abadlali naku-Pirates, kunzima kuSiphombula, uthola ama-few minutes. Uma ungabheka ama-minutes awadlala iSiphombula, you can't just you can't explain ukuthi why kuBafana Bafana because ku-team yakhe aka-contribute nothing, no assist, nothing. Akafani lese uMakhawula siyambona ukuthi contribute-ani, kumele laphana uyamaka. Amanye ama-players siyawabona ukuthi a-contribute, no-Relay Mofokeng u-create ama-chances laphana phambili kakhulu. I-team iba, but uSiphombula yena direct angiyiboni into ayenzayo. But obvious ukuthanda i-player nanokuthi ama-former football players ayakhetha ukuthi akhulume izinto kanjani because of awafuni ukuthi kube ne-clash between wona nama-teams because ngelinye ilanga maybe angathola imisebenzi khona, but hhayi umkhulisi ngeke adlale ku-Pirates. Lo mkhulisi lo simbona everyday ku-Sundowns, lo ongayitholi i-game time ku-Sundowns, ku-Pirates ngeke adlale lo muntu. I-work rate kamkhulisi ayifani, akakwazi ukumaka number one kakhulu, uyakwazi uku-assista but akakwazi ukumaka. Is more of awucela uWes, ngeke ngimcompare ucela uWes, akakwazi ukumaka-ke at all. So ku-Chiefs angaba ne-chance-ke because of i-midfield yakhona abekho sure, to be fair ku-Chiefs. Ama-midfielders kudlala uLebohang Maboe, kudlala uNdlovu, kudlala ubani lo limele manje, lo shaya le-style sakaMukoko, waye ngimkhohlwa, uMatlou, kudlala uMatlou, even noBatman uyambona ukuthi bamdlalisa i-midfield, uMdusha bayana. I think i-competition ingaba better ku-Chiefs because of i-work rate yabo ayikho that much. Orlando Pirates, you gotta be a workaholic in order for you as an individual ukuthi udlale. Singavele sithi ngoba umuntu akadlali ethimini yakhe kubhekwa amanye ama-team. Khona ama-player bayawathatha ku-Sundowns bawalone kwamanye ama-team, astruggle kulawo ma-team amancane. Why? Because of ama-team amanye amancane kuyaliwa for ama-positions. Bonke abantu bayafuna ukuyodlalela o-Sundowns, o-Chiefs no-Pirates. Sazi ukuthi umkhulisi bezophelela kuphi, but i-Sundowns imgcina ngoba ufuna i-Kaizer Chiefs. Sikubeke nje kucace lokho bafowethu. Ubani uNaves noma ubani lo hosta le show yabo i-Sundowns, i-Pitch whatever, the podcast. Naye washo straight ukuthi look, we don't want our players to join ama-rivals. We don't. Asifuni ezi-Sundowns. Kubuhlungu usho kanjalo lo ubani uNaves noma ubani bafowethu. I wish ngimusho kahle ngoba ngazi bo-DJ about uSpayne Naves, angazi ukuthi uNaves ubani uSpay ubani, but ngike ngamuzwa leya host le lali-Sundowns lisho ukuthi kubuhlungu. And bathi abafuni noma beku-release ukuthi ujoine le-CO Chiefs unless if maybe i-clause awuna-clause nabo. I don't know if maybe usase-hot property. But okwamanje ngicela ukuzibamba lana bafethu. Danko, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Mkhulise. Kaze this season uzodlala ama-match angakanani nanokuthi ucontribute kangakanani.